can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $110,000. Bitcoin is down 4.3% over the last 1 month, but on a yearly time frame, Bitcoin has rallied up to as high as 61%. Currently trading around $110,000, you assume it's all fun and kumbaya, we're all pumping to the moon, but no. Sentiment is down in the cryptocurrency market. We saw extreme fear return back to the market. Even though Bitcoin trades above $110,000, market participants are scared. Gold has been pumping to new all-time highs, so Bitcoin has been losing value against gold. In this video, we look at Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame, Bitcoin valuation against gold on a daily time frame. We also look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. What's in for Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can Bitcoin recover as gold plunges from record highs? Are we going to see Bitcoin rallying to $130,000, $150,000, or is the end of the bubble here? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, still trading above $110,000. If you make any market participants 3 years ago and tell them Bitcoin trading at $110,000 right now, I don't think anybody would have refused. We've all been singing Kumbaya, expecting it to be a nice time. But that's not the reality of things. Bitcoin has gone from as low as $15,500 in November of 2022, picked itself up and rallied to as high as $126,000, a 700% pump in just under 3 years. You expect market participants to be excited. You expect there to be euphoria in the cryptocurrency market. We are singing and dancing kumbaya. But that's not the case, guys, right now. There is extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared. We saw extreme fear return. The biggest fear we have seen in the cryptocurrency market since April of 2025. And April of 2025 saw Bitcoin trading down bad. Bitcoin was trading way around $78,000. So even though Bitcoin is up by more than $30,000 from where it was trading in April, sentiment has not improved. You might wonder why. It all boils down to the cycle coming to an end. Historically, guys, the cycle doesn't last forever. I know it feels like it's going up forever. It feels like it's going to continue going up forever. But if you look at the charts for what it's worth, we have seen Bitcoin trading above $100,000 since the 19th of May 2025. Yes, there's had some brief periods below $100,000, but the average price for Bitcoin over the last 150 days have been around $100,000. At some point in time, Bitcoin is going to make a decision, either of violently pump to the moon or violently dump to Goblin Town. And the fact that gold has been setting new all-time highs have made a lot of market participants uneasy. Over the last few days and the last few weeks, we have seen gold rallying aggressively to new all-time highs, pumping above $4,200. At the same time, Bitcoin has just been going sideways, and we see gold go from $3,300 on the 25th of August 2025. Right now, gold has gotten to as high as $4,380. That's a 32% increase in just under 50 days. For gold, that's a very, very big price movement in just under 50 days. But for Bitcoin, that has been a very, very bad time because market participants expect Bitcoin just to continue going up to higher prices non-stop. And so even though since on the 25th of August 2025, Bitcoin has relatively stayed above $100,000. Sentiment has deteriorated with a lot of market participants selling their Bitcoin into gold, expecting Bitcoin to just continue going sideways. But guys, I believe Bitcoin is near the end of its market cycle. I will not be shocked if Bitcoin is less than 50 days from the end of the cycle. We saw Bitcoin setting new all-time highs on the 6th of October 2025. Bitcoin was trading around $126,000. We're singing Kumbaya. We're all going to the moon. Everything is good and dandy. And then the next 5 days saw the biggest crash in the cryptocurrency market. That's how quickly things can change. 1 week, we're shouting we're going to the moon. Extreme greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. 1 week later, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. The biggest liquidation we have seen in the cryptocurrency market also happened. Meanwhile, if you look at gold's valuation against Bitcoin since the 18th of August 2025, Bitcoin has been dumping against gold. Since then, we have seen gold go parabolic. We have seen Bitcoin just go sideways, and that's why you have seen Bitcoin's valuation against gold go from 37 to as low as 26. I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, we're going to see Bitcoin take back the mantle. We're going to see Bitcoin outperforming gold. Maybe we don't set new all-time highs. Historically, Bitcoin has been following what gold has done. So if gold is pumping, Bitcoin is going sideways, then we'll see gold start going sideways and Bitcoin start pumping. I don't think this time is different. I believe Bitcoin represents more risks in the market than gold. And right now, Bitcoin going sideways and going parabolic will only lead Bitcoin to pump in the coming days and the coming weeks, while we might see gold having a pullback. Gold might go from $4,300 maybe to $4,000. Guys, remember, nothing goes up in a straight line. At some point in time, the nearest future, a big dump to goblin town is around the corner, and gold has been going parabolic. We have seen gold just pumping day after day after day. Right now, people are queuing up to buy some gold. Historically, that's a sign that the top is near. That's a sign that market participants are getting irrational. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. The mantra is to buy low and to sell high. If you're buying at high prices, at some point in time, the nearest future, you will be forced to sell at lower prices. So I'll be expecting gold to dump / go sideways this week, or I'll be expecting Bitcoin to give gold a run for its money. Bitcoin could easily outperform gold by 10%, 20%. Bitcoin could even outperform gold by 50%, and we'll just be returning back to where Bitcoin was trading against gold on the 11th of August 2025. So don't be scared, guys. Don't be worried, but be very vigilant, because in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. At the end of the market cycle, market participants are very volatile. Even though at high prices, sentiment is shifting back and forth at very high pace. We just saw extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market just less than 2 weeks ago, and we still saw extreme fear also less than 2 weeks ago. Don't be shocked to see the sentiment indicator flip back to extreme greed in the coming days and the coming weeks. The question is being asked, can Bitcoin recover as gold plunges from record highs? Bitcoin to gold ratio hit historically low that previously preceded a major bull run, with past bottom preceding 100 to 600% BTC price rally. I strongly believe, guys, the whole market is going to dump in the coming days and coming weeks. I don't think we're going to continue pumping into 2026. I believe the bull market has been on for over 3 years, and at some point in time, the rally will come to an end. At some point in time, the bull market will turn to a bear market, but only smart players will be able to exit when we're in the bull market. You don't want to be one of those players that's exiting when it's already confirmed that we're in a bear market. We have seen Bitcoin fail to set new all-time highs against gold. That's a worrying sign. Even though Bitcoin has set new all-time highs against the US dollar, even though gold has set new all-time highs against the US dollar, we have not seen Bitcoin's valuation against gold set new all-time highs to confirm the move. So don't be shocked, guys, in the coming days and coming weeks if you see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Bitcoin dominance dumping is a telltale sign that the cycle is coming to an end. We have seen Bitcoin dominance dumping over the last few months. Bitcoin dominance has gone from as high as 66% in June. It has dumped to as low as 57% in September. I expect to see the cycle ending with Bitcoin dominance getting very close to the 50% region. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you buying more Bitcoin right now? We've seen Satoshi stash decline by over $20 billion from all-time highs. Satoshi has over 1 million coins. We saw Bitcoin at all-time highs on the 6th of October 2025, which meant his stash was an all-time high. But recent market crash that caused some cryptocurrency to lose up to 99% of their value also dealt a significant blow to Satoshi wallet. Right now, his wallet is just down $20 billion. His Bitcoin is worth $117 billion. Satoshi is still a billionaire. Bitcoin is trading at $100,000. Are you buying Bitcoin right now? Are you buying some gold? Which of them do you think will perform better from here onward till the end of the year? Your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.